Is your home office still feeling dull, or more like a storage space than a workspace? You're not alone. In 2025, your office should inspire focus, creativity, and productivity. In this video, we're sharing the top home office decor trends to help you transform your space. Natural light is everything. Let's face it, nothing beats natural light when it comes to making your home office feel open, fresh, and energizing. In 2025, one of the biggest decor trends is using light to boost productivity. Big windows, sheer curtains, and even mirrors are being used to bounce sunlight around the room. Because natural light doesn't just make your space look better, it actually helps you feel better. It can improve your mood, increase your focus, and reduce eye strain during long work hours. If you're lucky enough to have a window, make it a key feature. Use light, airy curtains or blinds that let sunshine in without causing glare. Add a mirror on the opposite wall to reflect even more brightness into your space. But if your workspace doesn't get much sunlight, don't worry. That's where smart lighting steps in. In 2025, LED desk lamps with adjustable color temperatures are a must-have. Choose cooler white light for focused work and warm light for relaxing or creative tasks. The goal is to make your space feel as bright and natural as possible, because when your lighting feels right, everything else starts falling into place. Bring the outdoors in. Let's be honest, staring at blank walls all day can drain your energy fast. But here's a simple fix. Bring a little bit of the outdoors into your home office. In 2025, plants are a major trend in home office decor, and for good reason. They don't just look pretty on your desk or shelf. Studies show that greenery can reduce stress, boost your mood, and even improve your focus while working. It's like having a breath of fresh air inside your workspace. The best part? You don't need a green thumb to make this trend work. Low-maintenance plants like snake plants, pothos, peace lilies, or ZZ plants thrive indoors and don't need a lot of sunlight or care. Just water them occasionally and let them do their thing. Want to take it a step further? Try hanging planters near a window, add a vertical garden shelf, or place a tall plant in an empty corner to make your space feel more alive. Bringing the outdoors in isn't just about style. It's about creating a calm, fresh environment that helps you stay grounded and productive. So if your home office feels a little dull or dry, a few plants might be exactly what it needs. Calm and productive colors. Did you know the colors around you can actually affect how you think and feel? In 2025, one of the biggest trends in home office decor is choosing colors that don't just look good, but also help you work better. This year, it's all about soft, calming shades that promote focus without overwhelming your senses. Sage green, dusty blue, and warm neutrals like beige, cream, or soft taupe are leading the way. These colors bring a quiet energy to your space, keeping you calm, clear-headed, and grounded throughout the day. If you're working with a small space, light colors can also make the room feel bigger and brighter. You don't need to paint all four walls either. Even a feature wall, accent shelf, or some decor in these shades can make a big difference. Think of your workspace as a mood booster. The right colors can help reduce stress, improve concentration, and set the tone for a more productive day every day. So before you buy anything new, take a second look at your walls. A small color shift might be your biggest upgrade yet. 4. Furniture that works hard. Let's talk about furniture, because looking good isn't enough anymore. In 2025, your home office setup needs to be stylish and smart. And that starts with pieces that support how you work, move, and feel all day long. Gone are the days of stiff chairs and basic desks. Now, it's all about ergonomic design. Furniture that actually helps your body stay comfortable and pain-free. Think adjustable chairs with lumbar support, standing desks that let you switch positions throughout the day, and desks with built-in storage to keep clutter off your workspace. These upgrades aren't just trends, they're investments in your health and productivity. Sitting too long in the wrong chair can lead to back pain, poor posture, and low energy. But when your furniture supports your body, you'll feel the difference. More focus, less discomfort, and better work days overall. And don't worry, ergonomic doesn't mean ugly. In 2025, you can find plenty of sleek, modern options in warm woods, clean lines, and muted tones that match your decor perfectly. Your home office should work with you, not against you. So, if you're still using a kitchen chair or an old wobbly desk, it might be time for an upgrade your body will thank you for. Declutter with smart storage. Let's be honest, it's hard to focus when your desk is buried under notebooks, chargers, and random clutter. That's why in 2025, smart storage is one of the most important home office trends. The idea is simple. A clear space leads to a clear mind. When everything has a place, your workspace feels calmer, more open, and much easier to work in. You don't need a huge room to make it happen, just smarter ways to organize what you already have. Start with floating shelves. They free up desk space and give you room to display books, plants, or decorative storage boxes. Add a wall organizer or magnetic board to keep daily items within reach without piling up your surface. And don't forget about the space under your desk. Slim drawers or rolling carts can hold everything from office supplies to tech gear. Minimal doesn't mean boring, it means functional. The less visual clutter you have, the easier it is to think clearly, stay focused, and feel in control of your day. If your workspace always feels messy or crowded, smart storage might be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Less mess, less stress, and way more productivity. 6. Personalized productivity corners. Your home office shouldn't feel cold or generic. It should feel like you. In 2025, one of the biggest trends is creating a space that's not just functional, but personal. Adding a few simple touches can make a huge difference in how your workspace feels. A favorite photo, a small vision board, or some inspiring artwork on the wall can shift the energy instantly. These little things remind you why you're working and help you stay motivated. Want to go further? Try carving out a small productivity corner just for you. It could be a cozy reading chair, a corner shelf with your favorite books, or even a small plant nook for breaks. Having a dedicated space for inspiration or quiet thinking makes your office feel more alive and less like a routine. The goal here isn't clutter, it's comfort. You want your office to support your mindset, your goals, and your style. When you walk into your workspace and feel at home, your brain switches into focus mode much more easily. So don't be afraid to make it personal. Your office isn't just where you work, it's where your ideas come to light. 7. Tech meets style. In today's work-from-home world, tech is everywhere, but in 2025, it's not just about function. It's about style too. This year, the trend is clear. Keep your tech smart, sleek, and out of the way. That means hiding messy wires, stitching bulky devices, and upgrading to tools that actually blend into your decor. Start with the basics. Wireless chargers, Bluetooth keyboards, and minimalist speakers are not only practical, they help your desk look clean and modern. Add a smart lamp with adjustable lighting to set the right mood at any time of day. And let's not forget cable management. A few simple clips, trays, or a cord sleeve can instantly tidy up your workspace and make it look more professional. The best part? These tech upgrades don't scream office. They feel more like part of your home. Smooth finishes, neutral tones, and modern design make them blend right in. So if your current setup still looks like a tangle of cords and old gadgets, it might be time for a tech refresh. In 2025, you don't have to choose between function and style. You can and should have both. Lighting that sets the mood. Lighting can completely change how your home office feels and how you feel in it. In 2025, the focus is on layered lighting that adapts to your mood, your tasks, and even the time of day. Think of it this way: bright lighting for work and soft lighting for focus and calm. A single overhead bulb just isn't enough anymore. Instead, combine different types of light to create a flexible and inviting space. Start with overhead lighting to brighten the entire room. Then, add a desk lamp for focused tasks, preferably one that's dimmable or adjustable in color temperature. For extra style and comfort, include ambient lighting like LED strip lights under shelves, soft wall sconces, or even a small floor lamp in the corner. The goal? Create a lighting setup that works with you, not against you. When you need to focus, crank up the brightness. When it's time to relax or brainstorm, dial it down for a cozy glow. Smart bulbs are also on trend this year. You can change the color, adjust the brightness, and even control them with your phone. Lighting isn't just about visibility, it's about vibe. And with the right setup, your home office can feel productive, calm, and totally modern. Outro. Your home office can be more than just a desk and a chair. It can be a space that inspires you every single day. With these 2025 trends, you have everything you need to create a setup that's stylish, functional, and totally your own. Whether it's better lighting, cozy decor, or a tech upgrade, even one small change can make a big impact. Which idea are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple and modern home ideas.